Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're my returning subscriber, you know how much I love you, and if you're new here, you're highly welcomed. Please consider subscribing, because in this channel we talk beauty, we talk motherhood, skincare, lifestyle, just a little bit of everything. Yeah, and when you subscribe, please don't forget to turn your notification on so you know when I upload new videos. All right, today I'm going to show you how I make one of my favorite meals. You can call it a snack. Let me tell you, one of the things that I really like to do is cooking. So I'm happy to share this recipe with you, and I'm sure you're gonna love it. It's very delicious. It's easy to make too. Like, there's not much to it. Yeah. Without wasting much of your time, follow me to the kitchen. There I'll show you the ingredients and everything that you need to know about it. Okay, let's go. So these are the ingredients that I'll be using for this delicacy. The ones that needs to be cut, I've already done that and washed the leaves too. So we'll be using the cheese, extra cheese, because I love cheese, and the pepperoni and the basil leaves. Yeah, that's basil leaves. You need it. The scent makes it taste so good. And then the most important one is the biscuit. They will also be needing virgin olive oil. That's all the ingredients that we'll need. So the first thing that I do is prep my oven. I like to set it on 325. Yeah, just like that. Then we continue. Now we'll go ahead and open the biscuit and cut it in pieces, just like I'm about to show you. Now we're done, we're going to transfer the biscuit in a bowl. Now we go ahead and add the rest of the ingredients and mix all together. So now I'm about to add extra cheese, just because I love cheese too much, but it's optional. Okay, you can add more or less, it's all up to you. So the last thing that we're going to add now is our olive oil. Just a little is enough. Then we go ahead and mix thoroughly. we're all set, guys. The last thing to do now is to scoop the food and put in our cupcake pan. You can also use the regular cake pan, but I like this because of my kids. It's easy for me to just, without worrying about dividing it, just get one for each person. Yeah, but whichever one that you use is cool. Oh, I have my cooking partner with me, my daughter. Her part is to taste the food, so she's so ready. Again, I'm adding extra cheese. Remember, I told you guys I'm a cheese girl, but it's still optional if you like. Yeah, but I love when there's enough cheese in it. OMG, you guys, you see how good it looks? We're all set. So now we're going to put in the oven, which is already preheated, and then we'll leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. Or you just be checking it. When it's done, you will know. Yeah. I most times don't use timing. Of course, you guys, I'm not a chef, but when it's done, I know. So this is the pack of the basil leaves that we used for this meal. Yeah, you can get it like this at Walmart. You guys, it's done. Look at how good it looks. You see the cheese? I'm telling you, you are going to love this meal. Yeah. So let's taste. I'm so sorry, guys. My camera didn't capture that so well like I wanted. So I had to get another one because I want you to see what it looks like. I'm telling you. Look at that. It's yummy for the tummy. Like, it's delicious. Just make sure to try this. You can see it's so easy to make and there's not much that you need. Try it and let me know. Okay, so the rest I used my cake pan to make, as you can see. And so whichever pan that you have is fine. Okay, sweetie, we're going to eat this with our sauce. Whichever one that you have at home, you can use it. It's delicious. Just try this and let me know what you think in the comment section. Okay, thank you guys for joining me in the kitchen today. I hope you enjoyed it. Please check my description box and see all other videos that I have there, and please follow me on TikTok and Instagram, same name, at Verak Beauty. Take care of you. Show more kindness wherever you are. We'll see you soon. Bye.